today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add hanging indents in Google Docs, which is especially handy for formatting items like a works cited page. Let's get started by going over each step to ensure your document looks not only polished, but also meets the proper formatting style. First, open your document in Google Docs and scroll down to the section of text that needs the hanging indent. This is usually your list of references or citations. Once you've located it, you'll need to highlight the text that requires the hanging indent. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. This step is crucial because the hanging indent will only apply to the text you have highlighted. After highlighting your text, move your cursor up to the Format menu at the top of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find a section called Align and Indent. Hover over this section to see further options. Now choose Indentation Options. This will open up a small pop-up window on your screen. Now that you have the indentation pop-up in front of you, look for a drop-down labeled Special Indent. Clicking on this drop-down will show you a few different indentation options. The one you want to select here is Hanging. This setting applies a standard hanging indent to your highlighted text. Once you've selected Hanging, just go ahead and hit the Apply button, and voila! Just like that, your works cited page is now formatted with the perfect hanging indents, giving your document a more organized and professional look. Before you consider your document ready for submission or sharing, take a moment to review a couple of finishing touches. First, double-check all your entries to ensure they are listed in alphabetical order. This is a common requirement for works cited pages, so it's essential to get it right. Also, take a quick look at your title. It should be centered on the page, which adds a neat, professional finish to your work. And that's it, a straightforward method to add hanging indents in Google Docs. I hope this video has helped you feel more confident in tackling document formatting. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Also, subscribe to our channel for more quick tips and tricks for navigating Google Docs with ease.